kanina po nakagising na kami. Andito na kami sa bus.
Saan po punta?
SM Fairview.
Bakit?
Andaan kasi si Prince de Guzman. Andito na kami sa mall. Tara.
Wala pa. Dito!
Ayan yung picture.
Oo, magtatanong tayo.
Ay, mali. Sabi mamaya picture tayo dito. Magpipicture ako. Are you ready?
Parang sila, para ano ka diba, pag costume, naka-costume sila, free sila makakapasok. Exi.
Tara.
Oo.
Hi guys! Andito na kami. Inaantay lang namin si Kuya Prince.
For that, why don't we meet all of our favorite anime characters in a once-in-a-lifetime chance to see all of them in one place? Our cosplay parade starts now.
Wow!
Again, remember to use our hashtag #CosplayCity at SM Fairview as you unleash your anime side in your socials.
Happy birthday. Guys, tuwaan.
Diba? Nakita mo?
Oo! Itsura mo.
Wala pa. Wala pa.
Uwi na ko rito ko.
Ha? Free?
Meron siyang ganyan.
Thank you po. Say thank you.
Ate, picture mo. Kunyari mo, wow.
Say thank you.
Destination of this side of the metro today, right here at Atom City Fairview. But before we start with everything, let me just introduce myself, ladies and gentlemen. I am DJ Lindsay of 106.7 Energy FM, and I am cosplaying as the cute Spy X Family character, Anya. And I hope I'm just giving justice to her this afternoon. I am so excited and thrilled to share Hawaiian moments with you guys. And we are all going to be venturing into the world of cosplay together and explore all the fascinating finds that we are going to see. Very much Colette Zone, upper ground level, Central Walk. We also would like to thank Funko. Thank you very much. Photoism, upper ground level, Central Walk. And of course, thank you as well to Tom's World, upper ground level, exhibit right now. Ladies and gentlemen, first, let us all welcome welcome a well-known creator and vocal impersonator. Please put your hands together for Gangsta. There you go. Please stay right here on my side. Thank you very much. Next up, two of the most sought-after cosplayers in the Philippines. The multi-talented cosplayer and content creator, Aoi, and the Philippine Cosplay King, none other than Prince de Guzman. There you go. Oh my gosh, you guys. Please stay on this side. So many people. Hello, it's nice to see you. But please stay here on the other side. There you go. Thank you very much. Well, I just have to ask a couple of questions. And I'd like you gang stocks. First, it's for you. Okay, gang. I'm sorry if you guys are so dizzy now. But please, since you are the voice impersonator or voice talent.
Maraming salamat sa mga pumunta!
Awesome. Thank you very much. Okay, next up, Aoi.
Ayun na, si Ate Ami.
Okay, this is their microphone right here. Okay, Cosplay City is finally opening today. So what are your thoughts about this? How did you prepare regarding this event? How do you find Cosplay City opening up today right here at SM City Fairview? How do you feel about this?
So before I answer that, cosplayers, magingay naman tayo! Let's give a big hand for SM! Thank you very much. So my feeling is, I grew up in this mall. Sabay kami lumaki ng mall na actually wala pa yung annex. So I would always sit and I would dream that someday we'll have our own community where we can walk freely, we are safe, we can bond, and we can celebrate our common love together. And finally, SM has now Cosplay City. And I think SM is now a home for both anime lovers and cosplayers, and it's something that we can follow up on.
Nakalapit mo.
So thank you so much for
Ala,
Thank you
nakatingin na.
so much for having us. Again, a big round of applause for everyone and for SM.
Please keep the microphone because I'm gonna ask you another question, or I'm gonna be, stating another thing for you.
Sure.
Speaking of dreams, someone has gone viral, a couple of days ago because she wants to see you now.
Oh, wow.
And the thing is, she is, she will brave the storm and she will line up no matter how long the
gosh.
line is. And she is here with us. Please all welcome XC! And once again, she's gone viral and she wants to see you in person, in flesh. Please, and XC, please stay on the middle. Because you are going to give XC a remembrance.
Wow!
There you go. Everyone, this is XC.
Wow!
TikTok, because she wanted to see Prince really alive
Wow,
in person. And now, XC is going to receive a Funko signed by Prince. Okay, real time. So once again, if you're actually documenting this or taking photos and videos, please don't forget to use the hashtag Cosplay City at SM. There you go. Once again, Prince and XC.
Yay!
Okay, I'd like to experience Cosplay City. So without further ado, let's get on with the much
Nakita mo yung
awaited
pirma ni Kuya.
We'd like to call on our special guest this afternoon to join us here in front for the ceremonial walk. Cosplay destination on this side of Metro. Once again, please don't forget to do the hashtag Cosplay City at SM Fairview so that everyone would know what's happening right here inside the mall. Now with light trackers.
Pati kasi mama mo. Okay lang ba? Thank you. Na-starstruck siya. Nagulat siya. Ayan!
Saan lang po kayo nakatira?
Ano po, sa bayan, malapit lang. Kaya tal-
Wise.
Sabi- Ayan, ang laki naman ng ano.